Welcome to Boot Camp to Bankroll, where we provide tactical financial strategies for Marines and service members alike. Our goal is to help educate all servicemen and women to build wealth and secure their financial future. Just like in the Corps, financial success requires discipline, strategy, and a clear plan of attack. In today's video, we're covering 4 crucial steps that will help you take control of your finances and build lasting wealth. These steps are the foundation of a solid financial future, and they'll equip you to handle any financial challenge that comes your way. Let's get started. First things first, you gotta know where your money is going. Just like a mission needs a detailed operations plan, your finances need a spending plan. This isn't about restricting your life, it's about taking charge. Think of it as allocating your resources for maximum impact. A good starting point is the 70-20-10 rule. Allocate 70% of your income for essential living expenses. This includes rent or mortgage payments, utilities, groceries, transportation, and insurance. Track every single dollar. Knowledge is power, and in this case, knowledge is financial power. Dedicate 10% of your income to savings and investments. This is your financial ammunition, the fuel that will propel you towards your long-term goals. The remaining 20% should be allocated to debt repayment. Attack high-interest debt like credit cards with a vengeance. If you don't have any debt, use this 20% towards other financial goals like savings and investments. Tracking your spending is absolutely critical. Use budgeting apps, spreadsheets, or even a good old-fashioned notebook. This level of awareness will give you a clear picture of your financial health. Regularly review and refine your plan to ensure it aligns with your evolving financial goals. Debt is the enemy of financial freedom. It's a weight that holds you back from achieving your financial goals. High-interest debt, like credit cards, is especially dangerous. It's like a financial parasite, draining your resources and preventing you from building wealth. Your first priority should be to eliminate high-interest debt. Develop a plan of attack. List all your debts, prioritize them by interest rate, and start paying them down aggressively. Consider the debt snowball method, where you pay off the smallest debt first for a quick win. Once you've conquered your high-interest debts, avoid taking on new debt unless absolutely necessary. Be wary of those enticing buy now, pay later offers. They can seem convenient in the short term, but they can quickly lead you down a slippery slope of debt. Before you click that buy now button, ask yourself if you can truly afford it. Delayed gratification is a key to financial success. Mortgages are typically an exception to the avoid debt rule, as they tend to have lower interest rates and can be a good investment in the long run. Living debt-free gives you more control over your finances and allows you to allocate more resources towards building wealth. Every dollar you pay in interest is a dollar you could be investing in your future. Stay vigilant and maintain a debt-free lifestyle. The freedom and flexibility that come with being debt-free are well worth the effort. Chapter 3. Establish an emergency savings plan. Every Marine needs a financial safety net. An emergency fund is your financial armor, protecting you from unexpected events. Life throws curveballs, and you need to be prepared. Think of it as your financial first aid kit. Your emergency fund should have 3 tiers. Tier 1, a minimum of $2,000 for immediate small emergencies like a car repair or unexpected medical bill. This is your frontline defense. Tier 2, build up 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This will cover you in case of a scenario where your pay is restricted or have unexpected issues with your pay from dispersing. This gives you breathing room and time to get back on your feet. Tier 3. Aim for 12 to 18 months of living expenses. This is especially important for major life transitions, like leaving the military and entering the civilian workforce. Keep your emergency fund in a high-yield savings account. This allows your money to grow while remaining easily accessible. Building an emergency fund is a non-negotiable step towards financial stability. Prioritize building your emergency fund before investing in other assets. Chapter 5. Invest the difference. Once you've established your emergency fund, it's time to put your money to work. Investing is the key to building long-term wealth. It's how you make your money grow and secure your financial future. Start with your retirement accounts. Maximize your contributions to the Thrift Savings Plan, or TSP. If you're eligible, contribute to an IRA or 401k as well. These are powerful tools for building a secure retirement. Explore other investment vehicles like the stock market, real estate, or even starting your own business. Each has its own risks and rewards. Do your research and understand what you're getting into. Before you invest a single dollar, understand your risk tolerance. Diversification is crucial. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes to minimize risk. Investing is a long-term game. Be patient, stay disciplined, and continue to learn and adapt your strategy over time. Remember, investing is not gambling. By following these 4 steps, you'll be on the path to financial freedom. Develop a spending plan, avoid debt, build an emergency savings plan, and invest the difference. These are the cornerstones of a solid financial foundation. Take control of your financial future, just like you take control of every mission. Remember, financial discipline is just as important as discipline in the field. These steps empower you to build a secure financial future, one that provides stability and allows you to achieve your financial goals. It's about taking charge of your finances and creating the life you want. Thanks for watching Bootcamp to Bankroll. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tactical financial tips. We'll be back next week with more strategies to help you dominate your finances.